In this video, we take a look at how to create a material master record. The creation of a new material is demonstrated using a height-adjustable office desk as an example. Start the transaction mm01 to begin creating a material. The material number is used to uniquely identify the material. For external number assignment, the material number is manually defined by the user by entering the number in the material field. For internal number assignment, the SAP system automatically generates a number. To do this, the material field must be left blank. In our example, the material number will be assigned internally, so we leave the field blank. The material must be assigned to an industry sector and a material type. These fields control the subsequent views in the material master. The industry sector determines which industry-specific data and views are required or available in the material master to meet the specific requirements of the respective industry. This allows settings such as stock keeping, pricing, or quality management to be adjusted depending on the industry. The desk is manufactured in-house, so the industry sector, mechanical engineering, is selected. The material type in SAP defines the basic settings and characteristics of a material, such as number assignment, permitted movement types, and required views in the material master. The material type controls how the material is processed and used throughout the system. The desk is the end product of production, so the material type finished product is assigned. After selecting the industry sector and material type, click Continue to proceed to the view selection. In the view selection, choose the required views. To create a material, at least the basic Data 1 view is needed. Proceed by clicking the green check mark. Since the material field was left empty earlier, the internal number assignment has automatically generated a number, which is now visible in the grayed out material field. First, the two mandatory fields, description and base unit of measure, are filled in. A meaningful description is assigned to the material. Later, the material can be searched for using the description via the F4 help. We will use table oak black frame 120 cm by 70 cm. Then, the base unit of measure is selected. This indicates the unit in which the material's inventory is managed. For our material, the base unit of measure is piece. These are the standard mandatory fields in SAP required to save a material master. However, to work with a material master in the system, all necessary fields in the respective views must be completed. For example, to sell a material, fields in the sales views must be completed, or for purchasing a material, fields in the purchasing view must be maintained. The following explains some important fields from the basic Data 1 view before saving the material master. The material group in the SAP Material Master is used to classify materials and enables detailed evaluation and analysis of material types within a category, e.g., for reports or cost analysis. It also supports pricing and procurement processes by grouping materials with similar characteristics. For the desk, we select the material group Finished Goods. The division assigns materials to specific business areas, sales areas, or product lines, and enables targeted control of processes such as sales and inventory management strategies. This allows evaluations and planning by division, as well as better consideration of area-specific requirements. Since the division must be stored in the material master for later processes, the standard division 00 is selected. The general item category group determines which item categories can be used in sales documents for the material. Item categories specify how an item is processed in a document. They indicate, for instance, whether the material is stock, consumption, or service material. Depending on this, processes such as stock movement, inventory management, pricing, and billing are affected. In this case, we select the item category group Norm. By clicking Save, the material master can be saved. In the bottom left corner, the newly created material number is displayed again.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.